Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint Cosmos. Today we will uncover a fascinating truth. Why TLS creates encryption keys that are born only to die. Yes, we are talking about ephemeral keys, which are actually short-lived heroes of internet encryption. In cryptography, the meaning of ephemeral is temporary, since they live for a short time, only during a session. We are talking about internet session, okay? They live only for a session, that's why those keys are also called session keys. So session keys, ephemeral keys are same, but private keys and public keys are different. Okay, public keys and private keys are not used for the purpose of online data encryption. So here you know this TLS, that is what? That is actually the very protocol which protects your online data. So during TLS handshakes, these keys, these ephemeral keys are created, and when their job is done, they are deleted permanently, and that is done intentionally. Okay, that is not automatic, that is done intentionally. Better to say here, those keys self-destruct. And that is the requirement, because here in this case, you know, in many cases, permanence invites what? Permanence invites happiness. Permanence invites security. This is known to you, but this is case specific, okay? But for our case, means for this case of online data security, okay, for this case, permanence invites what? Danger. Permanence invites danger, because if session keys are not deleted, then if a hacker is present and if that hacker steals those session keys, then by using those session keys, those hackers would be able to crack your past data or decrypt your past data. If session keys are not deleted, in that case, that might happen if hackers are present. Okay, if hackers are present, and hackers are always present, that should be kept in mind. Okay. Anyway, so we are talking about what? We are talking about why those keys are deleted. So, for the purpose of security, those session keys are deleted. Okay, and since TLS demands sacrifice of those ephemeral keys, so actually that way TLS ensures perfect forward secrecy or PFS. Okay, because the past data cannot be decrypted by any hacker, since session keys are not available, they are deleted. Yes, those things can be decrypted only by your device and the server. Only by your device and the server. They can decrypt the past data, means old data. Okay, and since session keys are deleted, so neither the old data, that is the past data, nor the future data, nothing can be decrypted by the hackers. Say for example, you are not using session keys, you are using private keys. Okay, instead of session keys or ephemeral keys, you are using private keys. In that case, if a hacker can steal your private key, in that case, that hacker will be able to decrypt both your past data and future data. That's why those keys are not used, either public or private. So how this thing actually works? First, both sides generate random private keys. Both sides means your device and the web server, your web browser and the web server. Better to say here, your device and the server. Both sides generate random private keys. Okay, then they exchange public components, and then each side computes shared secret, common shared secret, or better to say same shared secret. each side computes same shared secret, and this same shared secret becomes the session key or the ephemeral key. Here in this case, the private keys does not leave your device. So these are the steps followed. Okay, and the latest version TLS 1.3, this mandates this technique. Actually, you know the techniques are known. Diffie Hellman technique is available. Diffie Hellman Ephemeral. Then ECDHE is also there. Elliptic Curve Diffie Hellman Ephemeral. DHE and ECDHE, these techniques are available, and actually TLS 1.3 mandates all these things, DHE, and that means what? That means whenever you are using HTTPS, that means TLS 1.3 is present there. Okay. No exceptions are there. No exceptions are there. Because this mandates, TLS 1.3 mandates this technique. So this was all about today's topic, ephemeral keys. So both the names are used. Okay, there is actually no difference, ephemeral keys or session keys. They are short-lived keys. Okay, they are required only during the session. When the session ends, they are permanently deleted. Okay, so hacker cannot do anything. So just to protect your online data, these session keys are created and deleted. Just to protect your online data, this is the purpose of creating such a cryptographic keys. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about. One more thing, since this ensures, means actually TLS demands sacrifice of what? Of those ephemeral keys. That's why this ensures perfect forward secrecy, and related to this video, perfect forward secrecy, I'll make a separate video, separate YouTube video. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.